Samoa.
Our Samoa, the greatest place. She is green and blue, blessed with beauty, and hearts are pure as gold.
Touch someone with tears of joy. Touch someone with smiles of love.
Oh, what happy feelings from such happy people. One for all. When one rises up, you can feel it in us all.
Same every village in Upolu to every road in Savali.
Aloha is everywhere, characterizes our family.
We are the culture that the world can't ignore.
The heart of the Pacific.